If you've been looking for a high quality cutting board that is multi-purpose and has a lot of really cool features, then I highly recommend this one. I'm Caitlin. I'm getting ready to make some chicken noodle soup, and so I'm gonna demonstrate how you can use it for carrots, and then I'm gonna share some of the things that I love about this. So to start off with, I love this handle feature. So it's easy to carry, easy to lift, easy to store, so you can hang it on a hook. I also love how it has this groove around the edge to cut or catch any like juices from fruits and vegetables. I love this grating feature here. You can see I already did some carrots. I'll also show you how to do that in just a second. The front is made of wheat straw, and it doesn't damage your knives, which I think is really awesome. I love sharp knives. And then the back side is made of titanium, and this side is great for meat. And so it's awesome because you can avoid like the cross-contamination with your vegetables to your meats. And then around the edge, you've got this rubber here to help grip the counter surface so it doesn't slip around when you're cutting your vegetables. So I'm going to show you cutting some vegetables and how to use the grater here. I'm gonna bring it a bit closer so you can see, or down a bit. And so let's cut this carrot here. I love this cutting board. It feels so nice. I love that it's not moving around on me. And then I want to show you as well how you can grate a carrot or a lime, ginger, you name it, anything you want to grate. So you just go back and forth across the little grater here. And I mean, look at that. It's created so much. I love that feature. I think it's super fun. So I just want to say thank you so much to the company who sent me this, and I highly recommend this cutting board.